Hello everyone, this is Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston. I wanted to show you one of our newest listings. It's a 2019 Boston Whaler 180 Dauntless. The boat is powered with the Mercury 154 stroke. Has the Bimini top. You have the bow cushion set up here. There is a live well right underneath the forward seat cushion here. And as we move back, the helm seat with 4 different positions for adjustability. You can reverse it to sit facing the back or move it forward to turn into a leaning post. One of the great features of this particular model is the back seat. It is a full width back seat that you can set up here and seat up to 4 people across the back. Or if you want to fish the boat, it just closes down quickly and turns into a nice large casting deck. The boat is featured with a ski tow bar option. We just do not have it installed, but it goes right in the spot in the middle here between the cup holders. You've got rod holders, 4 of them across the back. The boat does have an onboard battery charger. As you can see here, it is equipped with the color Raymarine GPS depth sounder combination, as well as the Fusion stereo system. This particular boat has less than 90 hours on the whole package. Stainless prop, Mercury 4-stroke here. It is the light gray hull. I think I mentioned that with the blue graphics. Please call us at 843-747-1889 if you would like more information, or visit us anytime at MarineMax.com. Thanks.